Today we're going to show you how to jumpstart a 2005 through 2008 Ford Escape Hybrid with a dead hybrid battery. There's a hidden boost switch a lot of people don't know about, and we're going to show you the process for how to get your hybrid battery charged back up again when it's dead. We're going to start with a fully charged 12-volt battery. We just got off the charger and checked the voltage on. Now we're going to connect jumper cables to a running vehicle. Some people even use two running vehicles to get extra power. Now we got that, we're going to go inside the car, remove this little side access panel right here, and locate the booster button. The booster button is this one right here. It has a little symbol of the battery on it. We're going to press that. See the orange light came on? The orange light's going to stay on for between 6 and 8 minutes. Sometimes it'll start after one cycle, but sometimes you have to do it 2 or 3 times to get the hybrid battery up to a high enough level. The other thing you need to remember is you cannot have the key in the ignition and turned on in the battery of the dead car. You have to turn the key off. Better yet, just take the key right out so there's no confusion about whether you're doing it right. Wait till this runs through its cycle. If your donor car is another hybrid vehicle, make sure you leave the AC turned on so the car doesn't shut off and go into idle mode. It's been about 7 minutes. You can see it's blinking. Now we're going to try the start it. Started right up after one boost cycle. Usually if you see the button flashing, that means you're good to go. Let it run, drive it back and forth a little bit, and get it fully charged up. And the sad thing is, a lot of car dealers and mechanic shops have no idea that this button exists or how it works, or that this works, and saves you a bunch of money. Don't spend a lot of money trying to get a dealer or a service garage to charge this for you. Try it yourself first on any 2005 through 2008 Ford Escape, Mercury Mariner, or Mazda Tribute Hybrid.